not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's up guys, your girl AB and I'm back with a apparel video. Yes, we are back on my patio, y'all. This beautiful wooden nice little area with the plant. I know it's popping. I need to school over. So today I'm bringing you the sexiest Halloween costumes I've ever seen in my life. These costumes are borderline woo! I'll show you guys what the costumes look like. I purchased from Amiclubwear for the first time, so I'm not sure what to expect, but they're right behind me. And they looking real sketch, you know what I'm saying? But before we get into today's video, I want you guys to like this video, subscribe down below, and follow me on all of my social media. But yeah, let's get right into the video.
My loves, let's jump right in. This first costume is called Army Hottie One Piece, and this is in a size large. I paired it with my own fishnets, boots, and hat because it didn't come with anything else. And it was $60, so I wish it would have came with a lot more. Other than that, I really love the costume. It looks exactly like the model. The material was really good. It felt very comfortable. I didn't have any issues trying it on. It was movable. I give it an 8 out of 10. Okay, it could have came with some more accessories, but other than that, it's mad cute. I'll switch out my bra next time for a black one, but this is just what I did for the video. But yeah. This next costume is called Follow the Ringleader Sexy Ringleader, and this is in a size large/extra large. Okay, and that's exactly what it is. Like, I'm a really thick, juicy girl, you know. I got a big arms, big booty, and a little waist, you know, and type stuff like that. So I needed to really fit, and this really stretched like perfectly for my size, and I was very impressed. And I had to be for $80, cause that's a lot of money, honey. And this little hat that I'm wearing, it was extra. It was $15, but I like the look of it. I probably would have built this costume up to be like my actual Halloween costume because it's like mad cute. But if I lose some weight, it'll fit a little better. But this is what it looks like. It looks exactly like the metal, super comfortable. And let's move on to this one right here. Oh my god. Ooh, child. Ooh, I know. This one right here is a hot mess, okay? This was supposedly a costume that was supposed to be $35. I got it on sale for $14. And now I see why, because this is like lingerie, okay? This is not cute at all. It's a little too tight for a large/extra large, you know what I'm saying? It's just too tight and too much. On to the next one. Woo! Now this next one, honey. This next one is fancy, okay? This is called the Flirty Flapper Sexy two-piece in a size large. Now this cord is very nice material. It's worth it, honestly. It was a whopping $85, but you know, like, we're not gonna look past that. Like, I really love this costume. My booty looks so yummy, so juicy. If I dress this up, this will be bomb, okay? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, and don't mind the back. You know, me and Bae was trying to zip this up. I was like, no, I'm about to take it right off. But yes, this is mad cute. I need some feathers. I need to do my hair. I need a wig. You know, I need something cute. But let's check out this next one, okay? She's going to be a little naked. This next one right here, honey. Don't mind me grabbing my titty, y'all. I just like titties. Like, we all love titties. But yes, this one was a little tight on this little leg piece. Like, I don't understand what was going on. But this one is called Turquoise Ultra Sexy Princess J in large. Wish they had an extra large, but whatever. For $70. But I got it for $28. It looks similar, but come on. This last costume wasn't even a costume because it only fit my thigh. So, and there was a little schoolgirl, like, cotton. Yeah, it was a hot mess. It wouldn't even go up my thigh, like, you can see that. But yeah, honestly, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Watch my last video and watch this one. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one.